Don't skip the video if you have 2 or 3 minutes. Don't skip. I will change you everything. I know you are suffering 3 or 4. Maybe it's more than that. But this video will change everything. Just keep watching. In this video, I am going to share very important thing. Just 3 method I will share, and this 3 method is enough for speaking. I am also doing this. Please don't skip. Number one, very easy. Just watch English video in your mobile phone. Every single day just watch. I mean, you have to listen more and more. And now number two, you have to know about grammar. I'm not saying that grammar is everything for to speak, not. But you have to strong your ways. Without grammar, speaking is not possible. You have to learn about grammar. So learn about basic, not everything. Now number three, try to speak every single day. Whatever you know, try to speak. Speaking is most important. You have to speak. That's it. This 3 method follow every single day and you will be unstoppable. 6 months. I'm giving you 6 month time. Just 6 months is enough for speaking like me. I'm not fluent. I'm not saying you will be unstoppable like this, advanced speaker or like native speaker. No. But you can say a little bit like me. That's it. This 3 method, if you follow this, that's enough. And like this, every single day I will share you very easy tips for to speak. No one will say about it. I will say. But what you should to do, subscribe this channel and follow me.